Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix verification code not coming on Imo app. So if you're not getting that 6-digit verification code on Imo, then we have got you. First of all, tap and hold Imo app. Tap on app info. Now tap on app permissions. Now you have to allow location. Now simply go to storage. Tap on clear data. Now you have to open Play Store. Search for VPN. Now select a VPN for you and install a VPN. Now you have to connect your VPN to different internet server. After connecting, open Imo app. Now enter your phone number. I entered my phone number and got a code. See if you got the code. If you didn't get the code, go to your browser. Now search Imo support. Tap on contact us. Now tap on feedback. Now you have to tell them your problem. Tell them that you're not getting that 6-digit verification code. Also provide them your phone number. Now rest is Imo's job. Leave it on them. So that's how your problem can be solved. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.